Do you sometimes wonder if you have what it takes to become a law student? Hindi to para sa lahat, pero baka para sa ito. A lot of people think na kailangan sobrang talino mo para mag-law school. Pero for me, it's not about being smart. It's discipline. Kasi kahit gaano ka katalino, kung hindi mo kayang magbasa araw-araw, may hirapan ka. It's consistency. Sa law school, hindi pwede yung sipag today, tas pahinga bukas. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy. It's resilience. Kasi mapapahiya ka sa recitation. Minsan babagsak ka. Minsan, madalas pala, iisipin mong hindi ka enough. Pero, mabangon ka pa din the next day. Papasok ka ulit. Magbabasa ka ulit, lalaban ka ulit. And most importantly, it takes courage. It takes courage to enter law school. Lalo na kung working student ka at pamilyado ka na. Kasi pipiliin mong pumasok sa isang journey na alam mong mahirap. Na alam mong maraming sacrifices. Pero gagawin mo pa rin because you believe it's worth it. So, if you're asking yourself, may potential ba akong mag-law school? The better question you have to ask is, are you ready to still work hard even if it's already difficult? Because if the answer is yes, then maybe, just maybe, you have what it takes. If you're new here, hi, I'm Attorney Maf. I'm a full-time litigation lawyer and part-time professor. I simplify legal concepts to help you understand your rights, and I also mentor and guide students through content as they pursue their journey to become lawyers. Follow for more.